Hey everybody, Daniel here to remind you of a few things before you install your Gree unit. There are a few important tools you'll need to bring to the job. Along with the regular tools for any installation, be sure you have your flaring tools, torque wrenches, and 5/16 to quarter refrigerant hose adapters. And don't forget your nitrogen, vacuum pump, micron gauges, and refrigerant scale. As you map out where you'll put the indoor and outdoor units, make sure you follow the clearance guidelines in the manual so there's enough space for proper airflow and servicing. Remember to make space for the condensate line and pitch the hose downward for proper drainage. Also, remember to always anchor the units properly to prevent vibration. To wire up the system, you'll need to use 14-4 600 volt rated stranded cable. Avoid wire nuts or splices. Put spade connectors on all terminal connections, and note that L1 and L2 are polarity sensitive. And make sure you use a dedicated electrical circuit that's properly grounded. To pipe the indoor to the outdoor unit, use the line set size as determined by the indoor unit. You'll want to use copper refrigerant piping only, and both refrigerant lines should be insulated from each other. For your flare connections, you'll need an HVAC rated flaring tool, and be sure to avoid loops, sags, or bends in the piping. Keep your pipe lengths within the minimum and maximum allowances that are stated in the manual. Gree units come fully charged with refrigerant. To test for leaks, pressurize the line with nitrogen to 450 psi and use a leak detection solution to check all flare connections. For proper evacuation and leak testing, you'll want to use only approved hoses. Make sure to evacuate less than 500 microns and hold for 30 minutes. If you've exceeded the pre-charged line set length, calculate the additional refrigerant needed and use an electronic scale to weigh in the precise amount. Lastly, don't forget to open the small service valve followed by the large valve before starting up the system.